Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use an air compressor. This will be a complete tutorial and a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is my air compressor and it's really easy to use. And the things that I demonstrate with this air compressor can easily be applied to the majority of air compressors out there because they all work in a very similar manner. First and foremost, you want to plug the air compressor in. As you can see, I have it plugged in to an extension cord right here. The air compressor gets its power. It likely gets its power from the electrical cord or the electrical outlet that you're plugging it into, okay? Now, the air compressor fills up its tanks with pressurized air. Now, there's gonna be a gauge that tells you how much pressurized air is in the tank, which is right over here in my case. If you wanna fill up the tanks more, you just turn it on, okay? So there's actually a switch right here. It says that if I flip it this way, it's gonna turn it on. So check this out. It's gonna be quite loud and you'll see the gauge filling up. All right, so as you can see right there, I turned it on. It was filling up the tanks with pressurized air. You're also going to notice that as it gets more pressurized air in it, it's going to get a little bit heavier if you have to carry it around somewhere. So keep that in mind, okay? In addition, it's likely going to have an outlet pressure gauge right here. So that tells you how much pressure is going out, okay? This right here, this knob that you can turn clockwise or counterclockwise tells you how much pressure you want going through the outlet. You can have more pressure or less pressure. It's up to you. This right here, these two are actually the outlets. So you can actually plug in a tool to these outlets. I'm going to show you right here. I have this tool right here. They're going to have a specific type of fitting. So be sure that you have the right kind of fitting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it out. Okay. Sorry about that. I thought I had to pull it out. I have to push it back. I do apologize. You push it back, you put the fitting in place, and it should pop in place. I'm going to try and do this with one hand. So we're going to put pressure on the fitting. I'm going to push this back. Let's try and do this. Yeah, come on. No, ow, my finger's caught in there. Ow. Okay. We're going to try one more time. Let's push this back. Sorry about the camera angle. Let's do it. Come on. There we go. Nope, didn't work. Okay. Well, I can't do it with one hand, but basically you're going to simultaneously push this back and then pop this in, okay? If you can do it with one hand, drop a comment below. I'm going to see if I can just really, come on. Nope, can't do it. Okay, anyways, basically push this back, pop it in, and let it go. And then you can use your tool, which in this case is just a blower that I have right there. In addition, there's one other thing about an air compressor that you should know about, which is the pressure release valve, which is basically that over here, somewhere on your air compressor, there's going to be a release valve. And whenever you want to release the air pressure, you pull it out. And as you can see right there, I'm actually getting rid of all of the air inside of the air compressor by pulling this valve. So basically, if you want to get rid of the air, you either have to use it by using a tool, which will release the air or utilize the air, or you use the release valve, and that will get rid of, as you can hear, calming down, that will get rid of all of the air inside of the air compressor. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.